Hi Year 4, and here is your science activity for today. It's an experiment, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you don't get it done today, it's something that you can do over the weekend if you'd like to. As always, all of these lessons are completely your choice to do or not. Hopefully you've been enjoying them and you've been enjoying finding out about earthquakes and volcanoes. And this is a good conclusion to the end of the week because we are going to make our own volcano. Woohoo! So you will need some washing up liquid, some vinegar, a plastic cup, some bicarbonate of soda, and if you have it, just for extra enjoyment, some red food colouring. Here's the method. So this is what we need to do. So you're going to fill your cup just over half full with water. You're going to add 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda and you're going to give it a good stir until most of the bicarbonate of soda has dissolved. You might find it fizzes a little when you put it into the water, but you want to stir it around until it's dissolved and you can't see the white powder. If you've got the food colouring, you're then going to add 2 drops of red food colouring and a good squirt of washing up liquid into the cup. And once again, give it a stir. Don't stir it too rapidly, otherwise you'll end up with bubbles. So just stir it around so it's mixed. Number 3, make sure your volcano is in the kitchen or outside. Somewhere you don't mind making a mess. I'm sure you don't mind making a mess, but somewhere that your grown-up does not mind you making a mess. I would suggest outside. The final thing you're going to do to make your eruption happen is you are going to quickly pour into the cup just under 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then you should be able to enjoy your own volcanic eruption. It would be absolutely awesome if you could video it happening and send in the videos so that we can watch your eruptions as they happen. If you've been making your own volcano, so I know some of you have been sending in some pictures of how you've been making your own volcanoes out of newspaper. And if you put the cup inside the volcano that you've made and put the vinegar in, then it should be that it erupts out of the top of the volcano that you've made. But I'm not saying that you have to make a volcano at all. Just enjoy doing the experiment. Here's the science bit now behind the eruption that you're seeing. So what you'll have done by carrying out this experiment is made a chemical reaction. So by mixing the acid, which is the vinegar, and the alkali, which is the bicarbonate of soda, bubbles of carbon dioxide are releasing, and they release like a pyroclastic flow. A pyroclastic flow moves very fast, and if we're talking about a volcano, it is extremely dangerous. Most people think lava is the dangerous bit, but actually lava flows quite slowly, so they're not that much of a threat. When we think about Pompeii, it was the pyroclastic flow that caused the huge devastation. So if you do manage to film the volcanic eruption that you've made with this science experiment, please send it in to us because we would love to see them happen. Enjoy doing it, and don't forget to do it somewhere where you're not going to make a mess or you'll be getting me into trouble.